you guys. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, or whatever time you're watching this. And welcome to THICC Peach. If you're new here, hey, I'm Chanel. So you guys, it is currently 6:20 in the morning. Woke up at 5. We're gonna get started. I am trying to give myself a solid 24 hours to finish everything I want for my relaunch of my shop. I'm hoping I can get this done. Now, is all this going to be in one video? More than likely not, okay? So I will cut this down into 2 videos. By the time you see the second video, my shop will have been relaunched. I'm super excited. I have a lot of stuff to cut. I have a lot of stuff to sell. There probably will not be a lot of talking, but there will be a lot of me showing you the process and what I'm doing. Maybe not in detail, but there's gonna be a lot. We're gonna throw some music in with this too. Anyways, so you saw my last video, or the video before, about the little mug rug. And then the fact that which reminds me, I need to release that video because otherwise you won't know what I'm talking about. I just created these top hats, right? Look at this. And I showed you guys as I was making this. The only difference is I think it's a little too thick to put 2 layers of my info bright that I have in here. Let me go ahead and show you like a previous one that I made last year. And I've been using it for a solid year, so they are pretty good. So here are 2 that I made last year when I was using this print, and these have a little holder thing on it. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't use these because I don't have anywhere in the kitchen to hang them. So they all sit in a basket like this in my kitchen. But yeah, I made these last year. As you guys can see the back, they have been used and loved so much, and I didn't want to do white again because it gets dirty so bad. So this time around, I came up with these, and just to let you know, I actually changed my name. So that might not show up yet, just now down below, but my new name is THICC Peach Patches of Grace. There will be a lot of things I make that is patchwork or that is quilting. I'm super excited about that. But you know how so many people say you need to find your niche in the niche? I found mine. But anyway, if you're curious, make sure you watch the next video. And then by that video, depending on when you're watching this, August 14th, that will be my relaunch date. So if you're watching this afterwards, go ahead and check out my website. I'll make sure I link it down below. Anyways, let's get started. I talked for a whole 3 minutes, y'all. Whole 3 minutes. Let's get this 24 hours going. Alright, you guys, it's been some hours. It is actually 8:56 p.m. and I want you guys to know I have not been sewing the entire time. Probably about for like a solid 5 hours altogether. I have not done anything. Told myself. Anyways, there was a lot of cutting, a lot of trying to figure out what I was gonna do, and I said, you know what, we're gonna do it easy, just in case I have to, you know, remake any of these. All right, so I'm gonna show you right here next to my little basket. I didn't want to put you guys on the tripod, so I have a basket of everything I need to quilt now. I have mug rugs in here that I had to put together. Alright, I also have more hot pads in here. This is a pretty big basket. I can't even remember where I got it from. But, yeah, batting's attached. The backing fabric is all attached. You can see, I have the front part. I'm just going to pull it down. I have the batting, and I have the back. And once I start these, I am going to fly through it. So I will come back, let you guys see some of the process, because I'm going to be here for a while. So I'm actually going to go have me a snack. Probably some coffee or an energy drink. And I'm going to be right back in the room. Hey you guys, I'm jumping into to do a voiceover on this portion because apparently I lost the vocals of this. So right here I'm just letting you guys know that this particular group that I'm doing right now, I am using all one color thread for them because all of them, you know, well, the white thread will work for all these. And then I'm also, honestly, I don't quite know what else I was saying, but I know in this basket here, I was letting you know that I'm going to use black thread for these, so the black will pop against some of the patterns. So that's all I want to jump in here and let you guys know. I am so sorry. I do not know what happened to the words, but I hope you guys enjoy. All right. I hope you guys enjoy this first part of this video. I really enjoyed filming it, and I'm going to be honest, the majority of the time I kind of forgot I was filming. But yeah, I really did do my best to try to include a lot of footage in here, but at the same time, I know for sure I have forgotten to film a lot of few pieces and portions of this video. But thank you so much again for watching this first video. If you're new here, once again, I'm Chanel. Thank you for coming by and hanging out with me. Please join the fam, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.